Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the speed required to press 2 or 3 times on your AirPods on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on AirPods. Then you want to go to the press speed section, and in here you could choose default, slower, or slowest. So select your desired press speed, and after that you can press on the button at your own pace. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.